Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to enable or disable tamper protection in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Tamper protection prevents unauthorized changes to Microsoft Defender Antivirus settings, especially from malware or scripts trying to disable real-time protection, cloud protection, or security intelligence updates. For individual devices, Home or Pro editions, using Windows Security, open Start and search for Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll to Tamper Protection and toggle it on or off. Confirm with Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Note: you must be signed in as an administrator. If the toggle is grayed out, your device may be managed. Note: tamper protection may block registry changes, unless it's already disabled via the Windows Security app. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.